God. All right, so in the midst of my midnight cleaning and reorganized stuff, I am so sweaty. Anyways, that's not the point of this video. Ooh, child. Anyway, like I said, it's not the point of the video. So I bought a few things to spruce up my room because I was kind of getting tired of the look and feel of things. So I took my tapestry down. I'm not sure if y'all seen it before, but this is what I've been using for my room as a headboard because I don't want a fucking headboard. That's not the point of this video. So I had one to go with the decor things of the way I was moving around, and I was highly disappointed. And this is it. Very small. It looks better on camera than in person, which sucks. And I'm returning it. It's ugly. I can't do it. So I got another one. It will be here tomorrow, but I don't know. I'm gonna put a screenshot of what it looks like somewhere so y'all can see what I'm going for. So let me put this light on. Hopefully it looks a little better in here because I don't have no extra lights. I just have lamps. Again, not part of what's going on. So I got new bedding, some pillow coverings for this because these was on my couch. I don't really be in the living room, so I got some pillowcases to put over these. Got me a cute little throw blanket. I love me a throw blanket, like so textured and cute. What else? These are pillowcases for the pillows. This, see, it would have tied so perfectly with the fucking tapestry, but the tapestry let me down, so whatever. Pretty ass thing. Just a black comforter. Yeah, comforter. And in here is fitted sheet and the bed skirt, because I don't like the flat sheet. Like, I don't ever use it, so it's pointless for me to buy the whole thing when I'm only gonna use the fitted sheet. Alright, so this is the bed. Again, everything is black. This is the bed skirt, and yeah, this is the fitted sheet. So we're about to strip this bed and get to work. I think I'm gonna change the view of things so y'all can see a little better. Not sure yet. So baby daddy. Here I'm showing you what I keep on my nightstand. Have a planner, a journal for shadow working. I also have a little planner for writing my intentions and stuff, and a book that I'm reading for my doula class. I redid my living room / dining room area. I should have took it before or after, but I did not know I was gonna film this part. So anyway, I've moved my couch to over here. Have to finish cleaning. I need to redo that because yeah, no, it looks a hot mess now. Got my bookshelf over here. It was over here, and the couch was this way, but I moved it obviously. Got my little entertainment system. Still not done tidying up in here, but just want to show my family. Let me take this. My family. My DVD collection. As you can tell, I love me some DVDs. I have some books. Majority of my books are in my sister's house still. That's not the point. Anyway, my workstation. I keep like all my, I can't think right now. Anyways, my desk still have to tidy it up like I said. I keep my beads in here. Have a lot of beads. Well, for my waist beads and my bracelet beads and stuff is in here. And my babies. Like, so beautiful. You know, anybody looking for some waist beads, shop Keisha Customs, link in the bio. Got all kinds of pinks for the girlies. I'm not a pink fan myself, but these are cute. And yeah, have to finish the kitchen area. I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. It is close to my bedtime. I need to wash my ass. And yeah. Okay, that is it for now. I will finish cleaning up tomorrow. For some reason, I do not have hot water. Like, I pay my bills. Like, why the fuck I don't have hot water? I haven't had hot water for 2 days, and it's been a weekend, and today was a holiday, so I'll be talking to them before I go to work. If I wake up and I don't have hot water, it will be a problem. I pay my rent and everything on time. Why the fuck I don't have hot water? A nigga would know. So, yeah. I swept the floor. I will mop tomorrow, like, because again, I'm not done. By the way, this is a studio apartment. No one asked, but just had to say that. My little lock's taken off. I will be doing a video about my hair soon. Your girl just been lazy, so let's go to the room. Cut off all these damn lights. Oh.